A very beautiful day. We visited the animals in Deer Park, Berlin. A very warm welcome back to the channel, Yummy. My name is Yummy Cash, and on the menu today we are making plantain ice cream. The taste of this ice cream is indulgent and sweet. You are going to love it. To begin with, get your ripe plantain. Peel the plantain and cut the plantain into cookable sizes. Now it is time to cook the plantain. Cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes or till it is well cooked, and then remove them from the hot water. Put them in a cold water. Let it sit for about a minute or two and then pour the water away. Once you're done with that, pour into it some evaporated milk and a pinch of salt. The salt should not be many, please. Then blend this mixture into a very smooth consistency with your blender. All right, once you're done with the blending, sieve the blended mixture. Okay, now looking at this, it looks really nice and you can give it to your kid or your toddler, but that is not what we are doing here. Once you're done with this, you can pour into your blender a little bit of evaporated milk to rinse it, and then you pour it into your sieve or your colander and strain it. Now discard the black particles or black chaff. Okay, then give your mixture look at it. It's looking very delicious. Now I added a little bit, about 1 cup of heavy cream and then some condensed milk. So the addition of condensed milk, if you don't want it, you just omit it, or you can adjust it to your preference or your taste. Okay, so I added a little bit of vanilla essence for that flavor, but you can use any flavor of your choice. I add some powdered milk to it. Now, since we are making ice cream and not popsicles, the mixture should be a little bit thick. Okay, you pour it into your ice cream tin or your ice cream bowl. Freeze it for about 2 hours and you should be getting something like this. All right, at this point we are going to whisk the ice cream for about 5 minutes or so. It is very fluffy, beautiful, but whilst whisking it, I scrape the sides of the bowl and then continue whisking the ice cream. And at this point, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to share this video because it's definitely going to help someone out there. Now I'm done with the whisking. I'm going to cover it with some plastic rubber and then cover it with the lid of the bowl. I freeze the ice cream for about 6 hours because I was eager to eat the ice cream. It is now the moment of truth. A scoop of this vanilla beautiful plantain ice cream sits on a crispy waffle cone, creamy, soft, and very tasty. Do also try this plantain ice cream recipe, and trust me, you will never regret it. As always remember to do everything in love. Cheers.